have a new workbook out just for those of you who need to work on perspective. Perspective is one of those things that can make or break your painting. And I've created this workbook particularly for beginners, and because that's who I teach. You guys are my jam and I love you. This is a 13-page workbook, and it has information about being more than one type of perspective. We're going to talk about 2 of them. And then what is perspective? And you know, I know perspective might not be sexy like color, but it's critical. And it will make your painting look flatter, faster than anything else if you get it wrong. And I want you to get it right. It's all about understanding what you need to make it work. And then we're going to talk about planes, how to create depth in a landscape and in other types of paintings as well. I'm giving examples. I'm asking you questions. There's a little homework involved. So I would love for you to get this workbook. If you are a beginning artist and you notice that your painting looks flat, this is exactly what you need to help straighten that out. So in the description, I will put a link on how to get this workbook totally free. Just sign up. It'll come to you in your email and you can download it and print it off. Keep it in your art notebook close to where you paint so that you can refer to it often. Okay? See you later. Have a great day. Let's paint together real soon.